If March Little Dynamite Cup Race isn't the cutest name for a race series, I don't know what is.
In 1987, Nissan opened its doors to Japanese customers to participate in a rental racing program of a twin-charged version of their entry-level Econobox, the Nissan March. Also known as the Micro outside of Japan, lightweight and equipped with safety gear and track-spec suspension, the Nismo-built rental track car weighed only 1,366 pounds and produced over 100 horsepower, giving it a greater power-to-weight ratio than a modern Ford Focus ST, with a car with way fewer safety standards. Officially introduced as a consumer vehicle in 1988 and sold through 1989, the 300 pounds heavier March Super Turbo was a run of only 10,000 cars sold exclusively in Japan to comply with the rules to enter rally racing championships such as the All Japan Rally Championship. For those unfamiliar with the idea of a homologation car, some of the best and most iconic road vehicles from the 80s and 90s owe their creation to the homologation rules. Cars like the WRX, the ST205 Celica GT4, the Porsche 959, the BMW E30 M3, and even the Lancia Delta S4 Stradale. The Lancia was the only of those cars to make it to production with a twin-charge setup besides the March. So what's twin charging, you ask? Well, it's where a car will use both a turbocharger and a supercharger to generate boost at different parts of the rev range. Very few cars are equipped with twin-charge setups from the factory, but this one was, and boy does it make it a joy to drive. With 10 psi of boost from the supercharger below 4,000 RPM and 14 psi of boost from the turbo above 4,000 RPM, the Nissan Super Turbo reaches 60 miles an hour in the mid-7 seconds without any turbo lag typical of a turbo of this size. Squeezing an impressive 110 horsepower from the 0.9-liter all-aluminum 4-cylinder engine, the Nissan March rockets around corners and puts a smile on your face. So what's it like to own a Nissan March Super Turbo? I'm certainly not the most qualified person on the internet to answer that question, but the term special certainly comes to mind. With a cute face, unique squeaks from the engine bay, and a thrilling driving experience, this March is certainly something that sets itself apart.